any course. So for that we will try to find out one course and then want to see that if the preview is working or not. For that I am going to one course named as heat exchanger design using HDRI. Okay, let's go to that course. The first step is you have to enroll in the you have to create your login ID and password and then go to the bottom of this course. So see the first video is in preview mode. So if we want to preview this, let's see whether it's working or not. Here it is giving one option or warning that complete advanced profile. So for this user, the advanced profile is not completed. So for that, what you have to do, you have to go to profile section and then you see basic profile. Here it is showing that this is complete, but advanced profile is not complete. So for that, you have to go to the advanced profile first. Then you click on edit and you see whatever is not filled. Industry domain is filled, engineering discipline is filled, competency is filled, soft skill is filled, about me and my experience it is not filled. Then social media is not filled. So about me and my experience as well as social media, these two needs to be filled because I believe the bottom three are optional, but social media and about me and my experience needs to be filled. So for that you have to go to the edit option. Now inside this edit option, my current company, so I am putting as Everyeng. Current role, let's assume this is engineer. You have to put your genuine role because this will be visible to everybody. Whenever they want to see who is the member, who is the people who has taken this course and where he is working or something. So those type of reviews or views will be visible. So it is always better. For example, you have taken a course and you shared with your employer that I have taken this course uh, and you have not collected your course certificate. So that company can go into this website and then check whether really that course is taken by this member and all those will be visible because whenever someone will be clicking on this Vikas Rao, it will be shown that what are the courses he has taken. So this is also will be one way a proof that he has taken this course. Now professional career summary. So an engineer with 5 years of experience. And more details, I'll just to give a example or sample I am writing this and always put this image also. Now after that enter your experiences in year. Let's assume 5 years. Then city, let's assume this is Delhi. Country, this is India. Now save about me. Enter title or position engineer. Now about me it is saved. Then you have to go to the social media. Let's see, this is LinkedIn and put a LinkedIn profile. It is also has to be genuine because it will be visible to everyone, but for sample right now I am giving any sample example. So here LinkedIn I am giving. Okay, later with actual link we will be updating. So save social media. Now once this is done, I believe you will be able to view that course. So we will be going to that course again. That was HTRI. Control V. Okay, this is not the one. Okay, non-disclosure agreement is not signed. So here you can read this and simply click at the last and then everything is now complete in advanced profile. So save my interest. Everything is saved. Now we will go to the explore and we will search heat exchanger design using HTRI. Search it. Heat exchanger design using HTRI. This was the course for which we wanted to view the preview. Now let's go to the bottom of that here. Let's click it. So one new page is opening and you see this is the preview. So you
This
can run it.
Exchanger means
You can make it
mainly
full
the first
screen
thing it should come into picture is
and
TEMA, Tubular Exchanger Manufacturer Association. Okay,
so
this
you
is
can
one of the main
change the speed or go to the any other
this
section
one.
and
So
even
this
so
number of
this
tubes,
way you can
everything.
review the
Then
complete
after
course.
that we
Here
need
you
to do
see
the mechanical
that
design calculation.
around 21 minute
That means the mechan
is
this
in preview mode. So after these 21 minutes you can get a brief idea that how the teacher is or trainer is teaching and whether this will be helpful for you, and then you can enroll in the course. And for enrollment in the course you can simply go here and click on buy now, and once you buy it your enrollment will be done and you will get access to other videos also. Right now only first video you can access, however the other videos whatever is added you cannot access. So that's all for this small tutorial on how to access the preview video so that you can understand a little bit about the trainer, and in some of the courses the trainer will be telling you what all he is going to cover in that complete course. And for example this is itself a around 15 plus hours of course, but it is ongoing. So right now only 324 minutes means around 5 hours has been completed and remaining in live mode, and once those are completed we will be adding here in recorded mode. That's all for now. Thank you.